Rich in antioxidants which protect our body from harmful free radicals. Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about a spice that not only used in our kitchen but also has amazing health benefits. Yes, I am talking about cinnamon. In Urdu we call it Dar Cheeni. Benefits: cinnamon is rich in antioxidants which protect our body from harmful free radicals. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels. That's why it is very beneficial for diabetic patients. Cinnamon also improves digestion and reduces bloating. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may improve memory and brain health. It also has anti-bacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Precautions: but remember, too much cinnamon can be harmful. It may cause liver problems if consumed in excess. So always use it in moderation. So friends, cinnamon is a small spice but with great health benefits. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy and stay happy.